Hello everyone and welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's video we're gonna show you how to restore your account if you forget your password or your username. So the first step here is go to sign in, click on email me a one-time code and then put your address mail. So click on continue and then you have to wait a few seconds verifying that we are not robots. So as you can see here we have just few seconds until put your our digit code. So just have to go to our Gmail. Here we find our code, just copy it, then move here, paste it, and just wait a few seconds. And here we are, we just restored our account without putting a new username or password. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and send it to your friends.